in and out of love, never get enough. We never seem to get older. When things are going right, you seem to have the time, but when it's hard, you just grow cold up. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words we speak, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves.
What's up, guys? Vinyl Vixen, Slim Shetty, here at Rap Sesh.
What's up, guys?
This week we are going to be showcasing a custom partial print design, which is super, super dope.
It's
So dope.
pretty cool.
Pretty nice.
It's, yeah.
So we wrapped a green Challenger.
It was a Challenger. I forgot what year it was exactly, but it was a newer Challenger.
We
and
collaborated with Curvaceous Designs.
Collaborated with
My slay
Curvaceous.
babe, Curvaceous. She did this really cool, like, partial design that went across the whole side of the car with, what's the guy's name? I mean, you just call him the Punisher.
Punisher.
With the Punisher, and he's got
Yeah.
like a gun, it's like dripping paint. It's really cool. And then we printed it on, I think we were just on like 3M 175 CV3, and we did that on our Muto 1624X EcoSolvent printer. And then we laminated everything, and then we sent it through the plotter, and then we weeded it and masked it, and then we laid it on the car. So many, many steps. But really cool custom partial design. I feel like lately we've been doing a lot of custom partial designs,
Yeah.
as opposed to full print designs. We do both,
Well,
but
it depends on if they have a cool color or something on their car.
yeah, sometimes people want to incorporate the color of their car into the wrap and they don't want to cover everything.
Yeah.
Other times they're working with a smaller budget. So, you know, say they want to spend under $3,000, you can do these custom partial designs for, I mean, $1,500 up to like $3,000, whereas a full printed design, you're going like $3,000 to $5,000. So if you're working with a different price point or you have special requirements from the customer, partial designs are the way to go. So
Definitely.
we've been doing lots of fun ones lately.
Yeah, they're cool.
Super fun. So check it out, guys. Hope you enjoy.
I wasted all my time, I wasted all my nights, I wasted it on someone who's indifferent. He didn't love me right, he told me I was blind, but I never really wanted to listen. You have been here since day one, see my ups and downs, never left my side once, yeah, you stuck around. Who knew it was you? You have been here all along, you have always been the one, yeah, who knew it was you? You have always been the one that's true.
So,
And then,
so our car that we just did, tell him.
well, he picked it up like Friday after hours,
Yeah.
right? Had it for under 24 hours, and then he went to the AZ Elites Remembering Alex fundraiser and car show, which was a show put on with Ride or Die and the One Auto movement for a child that passed away from cancer. So it was this whole fundraiser kind of memorial show for him, and they were raising money for the family. And I believe he won
He won Alex's Choice.
Alex's Choice, so
I
like
believe
family
that was
favorite?
his family favorite.
So really cool. I think that
Yeah.
happened with our Egyptian Veloster. Like he had the car less than 24 hours,
Yeah,
went to a show,
and
won best rap or something. So that was really cool and gratifying.
Definitely super cool.
The show was super great too. Once again, Ride or Die and One Auto movement did that, and you know they're always raising money and things for a good cause and doing charity stuff and food drives. So we have a lot of fun doing that.
Yeah.
Shout out to Curvaceous Wraps as well as Muto America and 3M, our collabo slayers for this fun project.
Labo Slayers.
Yeah, I made that up.
Whoa.
It's pretty cute. If you guys want to keep up with our daily fun, make sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram, RapSeshAZ and Vinyl Vixen Wraps. If you want to get a custom car wrap or you would like us to wrap something for you, please hit us up on email or phone. rapseshaz@gmail.com is best. And please, please, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you dig Rap Sesh vibe. And we'll see you soon.
I'll see ya.
Bye.